Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. Today I will show you posterizer image adjustment in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have opened this beautiful image already. It is collected from Pixabay. So you can access posterize. Here is posterize. Also you can access it from here or here. I would like to suggest it to access it from here. So this is posterize. You can see there is labels. Posterize is used by labels. Now you can see this is lowest two levels. Two levels means this is 6 colors. It is controlled by the colors. 2 levels, it is added value to the brightness or tonal value, and this is level 2, that means 6 colors. That means red channel belongs to 2 colors, green channel 2 colors, and blue channel 2 colors. In this way you can increase the levels and control the color. So I would like to make it 40 colors. So what we can do with it? Actually it is needed for screen printing. In the screen printing it is used. Also I would like to show you, I am creating a new layer here, and after that I would like to concentrate on the red color or change it. So I am accessing color range and click this red color. Okay, so after that I am okaying it, and then I am clicking it and make it darker. So I am copying it, and then from the edit menu, fill menu, this is color option, and I am going to color and pasting this hex code and okay. So you can see now the color is different. Here is. So after that we can easily change the saturation value. So you can see I am changing the blending mode. That was the before and that was the after. So especially in this way we can focus on, concentrate on each color. We can also change the green color. If we create new layer, then go to color range and then access this green color. You can see this green color and okay it. Actually it is selecting large area. I am only access it this color. Okay, so okay, and this is, and now I am making it more darker and just copying it, and then I'm going to fill, and this is color and export paste, and you can see now the color is different. We can make it more darker than the previous. We can also change the hue value or saturation value to create more dramatic colors. So in this way we can use posterize in Adobe Photoshop. So if you like this quick tutorial, please subscribe this channel and keep editing.